Hello guys, welcome back to this channel once again. It's always a pleasure to come your way with a great video in this coding journey with Python. Today I want to share with you something new, something great, something that will show that yes, we are improving in our coding journey. I want to share with you how you can add color to your code. You heard me right, just like this one. Now before we continue, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel so that you can get updates on every video I upload on this channel. Also share the video to those who are in need of it so that they can also benefit from this video. So with this said, let's get straight to the video. Initially, this is how our code will look like. So now let's see how we can add color to the code when we run the code. So let's run it to see the initial color of the code. So they say, welcome to my biography. What is your name? So we enter our name here. For example, my name is Tektautu. So I enter my name, Tektautu. Then the next question is, what is your age? I enter my age, then I press the enter key. And what is your favorite food? Then I enter the name of the favorite food, which is jollof. Then what is your hobby? I like playing football. So now this is the outcome of the code. Hello Tektautu, you are 24 years old. Jollof is the food I like most. Football is the best game I enjoy playing. Now let's go back to see how we can change the color of this code. So first of all, we go to the print here. Then we first of all bring our backward slash, the backslash, then you bring 0, then bring 33, then you open a square bracket, then you bring 0 and semicolon, then you add the number which represents every color. For example here, red is 31, then you add M, then you close your quotation, put the comma, and put the quotation for the welcome to my biography. So we go behind the biography once again. We do the same for that one too. For a different color, we change the number which represent the color. So here we do the same. The backward slash, we put, then we bring the 0, 33, then open our square bracket, we bring the 0 once again and put semicolon. Then here we want to bring yellow color. So the number that represents yellow is 33. So we put it there. Then we bring a small m. Then we close the quotation once again. We close the quotation. Then we go to the last print aspect. Then we put another color to that place as well. So we do the same for this one too. The backward slash, then 0, then 33, the square bracket, and bring the 0 once again. Then we bring our semicolon. Then the number which represents green is 32. So we put 32 here and bring the small m once again. We bring our quotation, then we separate it with the comma. So now let's run this code and see the color that will change in this initial code. So let's run it and see. You can see welcome to my biography is now changed to red. Initially it was a white color. And then what is your name? We enter our name, Tektautu, which is also now changed to a yellow color. Then your age, I'll enter my age once again, 24. Then my favorite food, which is jollof, I enter that one too. Here too is white. We haven't done changes to that line, that's why it remains white. Now the last aspect is the green color. So this is how you can make changes, or you can add color to your code. I hope something great has come your way today. I hope you've learned something new. Please do your best once again to share it with others who are in need of it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like our video. Thank you once again for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you.